Hi everyone, Peter from Chilwell Emporium here. So in this video we're going to be making this little origami pot and I'll show you what we're going to do with it after we've made it. So the first thing you want to do is get your card and just some felt pens. And you start by folding it in half. And then just use the back of the lid or something just to squash it down just to get a nice neat edge. And then you're going to fold it over again. Open it up, so you've got it open there, like that, and then we're going to bring these corners folded over, so it makes that fold line in the middle. So you see some of the fold line is there, that's just folded over. Tell you what, I'll colour in corners so you can see what I'm doing. You can see there? And then we're just going to do the same with the other side. Okay, so I've got both of them done. Then you're going to fold one of these over, leave the other one, and you're going to do the same, fold that into the middle, like that. Same with the other side. And the next thing, make sure you're all squashed down as best you can. You're going to fold it in over, you're going to fold it along there like that. Try and do it and then show you. See? So you can still move these, but it's folded there. You do the same on the other side. This way up, you lift the bottom, fold that up to the top, and then we can open this up, and then this is the start of the box. See? So these bits, you're going to bring this corner up where it folds here, up to here. So it folds like that. I'm just trying to get it to fold right into the middle. So you see you've got this tab now. You can tuck that tab on the outside. And you see, it's tucked away. And then you're just going to do the same on the other side. See, those 2 points are touching. Squish that down, tuck it in again. There you go, there's your box. Now you can use all your felt tip pens to colour it in. You can do whatever you want. You can decorate whichever way you want. Now in your pack, you've also either started making your flowers, or you can do that next. They sit inside your box, along with all the leftover wool that you've not used. And you've got a nice bunch of flowers in a pot. Hey presto, all done.